Keeping your home spotless can be a challenge, especially if you have kids, pets, or both. But with the Bissell CleanView upright bagless vacuum cleaner, cleaning becomes faster, easier, and more efficient. Plus, every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, helping to save homeless pets, a cause close to many of our hearts. This vacuum is designed with OnePass Technology, meaning it cleans carpets on the first pass. No need for multiple sweeps. Whether it's pet hair, crumbs, or fine dust, it easily picks up everything. The scatter-free technology keeps messes contained for hard floors, so you won't have to chase debris around your home. One of its standout features is the active extension wand, which extends up to 10 feet. You can easily clean high shelves, ceiling corners, and other hard-to-reach areas without straining. The vacuum is also lightweight, making it simple to maneuver around furniture or carry upstairs. The XL dirt container can hold up to 2 liters of debris, so you can clean more and empty less. Plus, the washable filters are an added bonus. Just rinse, dry, and reuse for maximum suction every time. Let's hear what users are saying. One reviewer loves how lightweight and easy to use this vacuum is, especially for older individuals who don't want to bend down or struggle with heavy equipment. Another customer was thrilled with its power, saying it performed better than their expensive Dyson vacuum on carpets, rugs, and even pet hair. And many love the attachments, like the crevice tool for baseboards and the mini brush for upholstery. This vacuum isn't just about cleaning, it's about convenience. From its simple assembly to its powerful suction and versatile attachments, it's designed to make your life easier. Whether you have carpets, hardwood floors, or both, the Bissell CleanView delivers outstanding performance at an affordable price. So if you're looking for a reliable vacuum that gets the job done quickly and efficiently, the Bissell CleanView upright bagless vacuum cleaner is a fantastic choice. And remember, with every purchase, you're helping support the Bissell Pet Foundation to save pets in need. Clean your home and make a difference today.